Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making a no mayo tuna salad, and instead of mayo, I'm using avocado. This avocado tuna salad is insanely quick and easy lunch, so let's get started. First, drain 5 ounces or 1 can of tuna and put in a mixing bowl and set aside. Open and slice 1 avocado and cut into cubes. Then dice cucumber until you have about half a cup, which is going to be about a quarter of a large cucumber. Then dice red onion until you have a quarter cup, which is about 2 slices. Add the cucumber, red onion, and avocado to the mixing bowl with the tuna. Next, add in 2 tablespoons of chopped cilantro. Then add in 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard. And last, my secret ingredient in this avocado tuna salad are these sprouted pumpkin and sunflower seeds that have everything bagel seasoning on them. I'm obsessed with these, and they add a subtle crunch, a little bit of protein, and flavor to this dish. If you don't have them, you can also use plain pumpkin or sunflower seeds too, and a dash of everything bagel seasoning. Make sure to add some salt and pepper, and then all you're going to do is mix this up with a spatula. Now it's ready to enjoy. You can enjoy this avocado tuna salad all on its own, as a sandwich, as a side dish, or even as a toast topping, which is my favorite way to eat this. If you want more organic recipes like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.